how to solve the Recaptcha problem in Omegle. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to solve the Recaptcha problem in Omegle. First of all, open up the web browser. Then tap on three dots from the top right corner and click on Settings from here. Scroll down in Settings and tap on Site Settings. Then scroll down in Site Settings and tap on the third-party sign-in option. Tap to turn on the third-party sign-in option from here. Then go back to the web browser and search here omegle.com. Once you get into the Omegle site, tap to Start Chat. Then tick the checkboxes and click to confirm and continue. Tap to allow access to the camera and microphone to start chatting. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.